Instructional video about how to include a hyperlink in your blog post. Super easy. There's two different kinds of editors, so I'll just show with both kinds. So if this is what your interface looks like, very simple. Just write the title and the author of the article that you are citing. I've already written here. Hate crime or hoax, the drama behind the Juicy Smollett explained case, excuse me. And go to the article, copy the URL, copy, go here, highlight the words here, and you'll see this box pops up and there's this little chain link here. So again, highlight it, look at the chain link, click on here, paste it here. What I like to add also, which makes it easier, is open a new tab. This way when I click on it, it opens in a new window. You have to click on apply, and there it is. Boom. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, your editor might look like this, which is slightly different. If it looks like this, it's equally simple. You just highlight the text, click on the link up here. It's the same icon, it's just in a different place. Paste it there, click on open link in new window tab, add link, and then update your post. That is it. All right.